Aanat is ASMI cookery course trainer. He has significant industrial and training experience on Australian and French cuisine. This morning, Aanat is the first to arrive at ASMI kitchen and parked at car park. Today class is a practical class for Cert 4 international students. It will help students to develop skills and knowledge on how to prepare and cook meat dishes, including how to use kitchen equipment and facilities. In office, Aanat gets straight into his daily routine. After putting on the uniform, the most important thing is to check and looking over the training plans for today, and to find any reasonable adjustment that might happen, such as food material and menus. Arriving early also helps Aanat to have time to think how to help students to learn in a supportive environment by engaging them in meaningful cooking activities. For example, working out how to encourage and manage students' learning behaviors based on students' expectation and learning outcome.
I saw you last time in Ash Grove. You're walking.
Yeah.
You walk there?
Here?
Oh yeah, thank you so much. Okay, Miss Half class missing. Alright, so anyway, welcome. You coming? These are not yours? What is it box?
In the white bag.
In white. So did you sign up? So the first thing you need to do is to sign. Before you go to coffee or whatever, you need to sign first. So excellent. You work by two. By group of two you work. Okay? Nice choice. She's very tired. I believe, okay? So Fissa, you didn't miss anything, we didn't lose anything, but at the moment you have to complete CCC01, CCC06. So for example, CCC06 is appetizer and salad. You might come 2 times, but you're missing 1 class. But we're not doing that today. Today we're doing the meat. So the last 2 weeks of school, the last 2 weeks of term, then you catch up. So for example, Fissa, she's missing these classes here. Okay? But today, for the next couple of weeks, we'll do the meat. Meat. You have to finish meat. Okay? And when we finish, that means you're good, but doesn't mean you're finished. No. Okay, so you work together. Cumin, turmeric, paprika is there, cinnamon stick. Tomato is there. I'm going to show you the lamb shanks. 1 lamb shanks is 1 person. Alright, so basically you group, you two, you have 2. 1 per person. It's for the, we're going to do skewers. Okay? But I'll show you later on. So what we basically do, we prepare all the ingredients and you follow the instruction here. Okay, it's very simple. The stock, I'm doing the stock for everyone. It's not about this table, but you have wheels, not like this. This one, this one is wheels. Look, it's magic. Is it good? Is that right? Much easier than try to lift. And then you put bread. It's a bread. It's a bread. You put not too much there. You put little need space. Okay? So get all is this. This one here is called FSCO1, FSCO2. It's a very, very important. You must do that in the first time when you start. This one today.